Hey guys. So today I am going to take out my twist. Actually, this is my first time doing a twist out, so I hope it comes out good. I love doing braid outs. My braid outs, they come out bomb. They be coming out bomb. So I hope my twist out comes out bomb too. All right. Well, let me take this off. Oh, so I big chopped December 12th. Actually, I transitioned for 6 months before doing the big chop, and I big chopped December 12th. So this is the twist. I think I did a good job twisting it. Hopefully it comes out good. All right, so first I'm going to use the coconut milk serum. And I'm just gonna rub it over my hair first. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna start off. And what I learned online is when taking out twists. Ooh, okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Is to just separate and lift up like this. Separate. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take it out first and then I'm going to separate because this is gonna take forever. I know you're supposed to go all slow while taking it out. I'm not that patient when it comes to taking out my hair. I'm not going to lie. I kind of just separate really fast. But I'll come back to you when it's all out and separated, okay? Yes, now this is looking like definition. Okay. Okay. See, I'm loving this right here specifically. This is looking really, really nice. But we shall see once I start picking it out if it's going to continue to look this defined. Okay, guys. I'm probably taking out all of the curls. Honestly, it's okay. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't see, so I'm just going with the flow. I'm going with the flow. So you guys have to tell me if it came out okay or not. Because I don't really like it, but it's all right. It's not horrible, but all right. This is it. This is it. This is it. I think I'm not going to pull out anymore. This is it. You guys can tell me. Oh, look at this. Still a twist. I think I'm going to play with this some more, honestly, but you guys can tell me how I did or how it came out. I think it's okay. I don't think it's bomb. It's okay. But I'm gonna still smile.